Do you want to make a special Valentine's card for your Valentine this year? Well, we're coming up roses, so stay tuned. Hey everybody, I'm Nick from thebeardedhousewife.com, the blog and the YouTube channel that shows you simple ways to craft your house into a home. So today I want to show you a really fun Valentine's Day card that I created. I'm going to show you what it looks like right here.
Okay, here's the card. It says, "Love is like a flower" on the front with that pretty rose. Open it up and it says, "It grows into something beautiful. Happy Valentine's Day."
Let's head on over to my blog. I will show you how to get the file. Then we'll head over to Design Space and then we'll get started making it.
Okay, we are here at my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. We're going to head over to the Resource Library tab. If you don't have access to the free file library, you can click Get Access. You'll fill out a form and then you'll be emailed the password. But for now, we're going to click Enter the Library. Type in the password, hit Enter, and then you'll be brought to the file library. You want to click the one that says Like a Flower card. It's the number 61 in the file library, and then we can head over to Design Space. Alright, we're in a new project in Design Space. We're going to head over to Upload, and then Upload Image, and then Browse. Find where we downloaded that file onto our computer, and click Open. And then click Save down here in the bottom right corner. Then you can highlight that image, and then click Insert Image, and it'll bring it into our canvas. You can see here on the right, I have set everything for you. The draw lines, the score lines, the cut lines, everything's all set. You don't have to do any more tweaking to the file. So you can head right up to Make It. And you can see all the different mats. You have the white layer, which is the outside layer. This yellow layer is actually going to be glitter in this tutorial. Alright, we can hit continue and we can select our material. I am using a combination of medium cardstock and glitter cardstock for this tutorial, but of course it's totally up to you what you decide to use. I do recommend a little bit of a heavier cardstock though. Alright, so for this tutorial we're going to need our green standard grip cutting mat, our cardstock and scoring wheel, our red pen, CRICUT scraper, the art glitter glue, and some adhesive. I'm going to go ahead and load everything into the machine. Once I have it on my mats, I will see you when we're all done cutting. Okay, we have everything all cut out. Just making room on my table here. First things first, we're going to want to put the white trim layer on top of the red rose. Flip that over. I'm going to grab my art glitter glue here and just run a small bead of glue all around. This is why I love this art glitter glue, because it gets into those little itty bitty areas. Okay, we'll set that to the side, and now just flip that back over, lining up the edges. Just place that on top of the red rose layer. That looks good. Alright, we can set that to the side. Now let's go ahead and fold along the score line of the outer card layer. I'm just going to to gently fold this. Actually, it's better if we put it this way, just because of how close the cut is to the score line. Now just press the fold with your CRICUT scraper. That looks good. Now this band right here is totally optional. You don't even have to cut it out. I just think that it adds a little bit more color to the front. If you're going to use it, you just want to apply it at this point of assembling your card. I'm actually going to use my adhesive tape for this. Just run some strips along that diagonal. Line up the edges. There we go. Give it a good press with your hands. All right. Let's open up the card. Now we can place the glitter layer on the inside, and just run some adhesive tape around the middle again. And then I'm going to use my art glitter glue on top of that too. Just because glitter cardstock is a little bit heavier, so you want to make sure that you have enough adhesive, whichever one you choose. I do find that the glue is actually better for glitter cardstock. Alright, with the glitter side down, because that's the side that you want to show when the card is folded, just line up the edges, make sure that you can fold your card. That looks good. And then give it a good press. Of course, using glitter cardstock is totally optional. You don't have to do that. I'm going to use my brayer just to make sure that everything is adhered the way that I want it to. There we go. That looks pretty. Alright, now the last part, as far as the inside, is to add the sentiment layer. Just running some adhesive tape. Make sure that I get the edges really good. And I'm just going to center that on the inside part of the card. There we go. Alright, last but not least, we're going to add our rose to the front. Now you could just use regular glue or adhesive, but I'm actually going to grab some foam squares to add a little bit more dimension. So I'm just going to put 4 foam squares here. And then just place that wherever you want. I'm just going to center it. Give it a good press to make sure that all 4 of those foam squares are adhered to the paper. Looks like I missed a little bit of this edge here on this pink part. There we go. Alright, I cleaned up my board and there we have it. The card is done. So cool. Now it does come with an envelope file as well that's available in your download for you to make, and you can give this to your Valentine.
What did you guys think? How easy? I hope that you liked this video, and I hope that you guys definitely make this card. If you did like this video, make sure that you hit like and subscribe so that you know every time that I come out with a new video. Head on over to my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. I have so many other card tutorials there. You have got to check it out. I also have some fun Valentine stuff too. So until next time, I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife. I will see you all later. Bye.